Halfbike. The Halfbike is unlike any other bike you've seen before. This minimalist, pedal-powered vehicle strips away the traditional bicycle design and adds a new twist. No seat, no handlebars. Instead, you stand upright and use a T-bar for steering, similar to a scooter. What makes the Halfbike stand out is its focus on engaging your core and balancing muscles, giving you a workout while you ride. It's designed to mimic the feeling of running, offering a low-impact, fun way to stay active while getting around the city. With a lightweight frame, it's also highly portable, folding down small enough to carry over your shoulder or store in a car trunk. Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive. The Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive is an electric all-terrain vehicle (ATV) that's built for adventure seekers. This compact yet powerful machine features 4-wheel drive capability, making it ideal for tackling rough off-road conditions such as rocky trails, sand dunes, and forest paths. With 4 independent electric motors powering each wheel, the Coyote delivers impressive torque and control. It can reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour and has a range of about 60 miles on a single charge, making it not just powerful, but also eco-friendly. Designed for both recreational use and practical applications like hunting or exploring remote areas, GoBoat 2.0. The GoBoat 2.0 takes portability to the water, offering an inflatable, lightweight boat that you can pack up and take just about anywhere. Weighing only 57 pounds, it's easy to transport and inflate, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures on lakes, rivers, or even calm coastal waters. The GoBoat 2.0 is powered by either an electric or small gas outboard motor, providing a smooth, quiet ride. Its unique circular design ensures stability on the water, even when you're standing or moving around. Whether you're using it for fishing, sightseeing, or just relaxing, this portable watercraft is the perfect companion for a fun day out on the water without the hassle of owning a large boat. HAMYAK ATV compact but powerful. The HAMYAK ATV is a unique tracked all-terrain vehicle designed for harsh and challenging environments. Unlike traditional ATVs, which use wheels, the HAMYAK features a continuous track system, much like a tank, allowing it to easily navigate through snow, mud, and steep terrain. Powered by a 150cc engine, this small but mighty machine delivers excellent traction and stability, making it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and adventurers looking to reach places that other vehicles can't. The HAMYAK's compact size also makes it easy to transport, yet it packs enough power to tackle some of the toughest terrains imaginable. Inmotion Scv V8. The Inmotion Scv V8 is an electric unicycle that offers a thrilling yet practical way to get around. Its sleek design and powerful motor make it an excellent choice for urban commuters who want something more exciting than a typical e-scooter or bike. The V8 can reach a top speed of 19 miles per hour, with a range of up to 31 miles on a single charge. What's particularly impressive is how lightweight and portable it is. At just 30 pounds, it's easy to carry when you're not riding it. The built-in LED lighting, app connectivity, and customizable ride settings add to the appeal, making the Inmotion Scv V8 a fun, efficient, and tech-savvy way to commute. DC Tri-Electric Trike. For those seeking stability with a twist of excitement, the DC Tri-Electric Trike is the answer. This 3-wheeled electric trike combines the easy riding experience of a tricycle with the power of an electric motor. The 500-watt motor gives the DC Tri a top speed of 25 miles per hour and a range of 30 miles on a single charge, making it a fun and efficient way to zip around the city or suburbs. The design features an adjustable seat, responsive steering, and a stylish frame that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're using it for your daily commute or just cruising around town for fun, the DC Tri offers a unique balance of speed, comfort, and stability. Tomofree K7 Pro. The Tomofree K7 Pro is an electric bike that takes convenience and performance to the next level. Its foldable design makes it a commuter's dream. You can easily collapse it for storage in a car trunk or bring it on public transportation. Despite its compact size, the K7 Pro is equipped with a 750-watt motor capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour, while its large battery provides a range of up to 45 miles. It's not just about speed and portability. The bike also features fat tires for improved traction and stability on various terrains, from city streets to dirt paths. The Tomofree K7 Pro is perfect for anyone looking for a powerful Inmotion V14. If you're looking for the ultimate electric unicycle experience, the Inmotion V14 is the top contender. With its powerful 3,000-watt motor, this machine is capable of reaching an impressive top speed of 40 miles per hour. What's even more remarkable is its range. The V14 can travel over 100 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long-distance commutes or extended weekend rides. It's designed for more experienced riders, as its speed and power require a certain level of skill to handle. The V14 also features advanced suspension, customizable LED lighting, and a robust build that can handle a variety of terrains. MDT-ONE E-Scooter. The MDT-ONE E-Scooter is a cutting-edge electric scooter that prioritizes both performance and convenience. It's equipped with a 350-watt motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for short urban commute. With a range of about 20 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for zipping around town or running errands. The MDT-ONE also features a user-friendly dashboard that displays speed, battery life, and other essential ride data. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry or store when not in use, while regenerative braking recycles energy, making it a highly efficient mode of transport. Pony 4. The Pony 4 is an electric cargo bike designed with utility and sustainability in mind. This heavy-duty cargo bike can haul up to 350 pounds, making it a fantastic option for businesses needing to transport goods across urban areas. It's powered by a strong electric motor that provides enough torque to carry heavy loads while maintaining a smooth ride. With customizable cargo options, including large bins and specialized storage compartments, the Pony 4 is versatile enough to handle a variety of transportation needs. The Pony 4 blends the simplicity and efficiency of a bike with the power and capacity of a small vehicle, all while keeping your carbon footprint low. Triggo. The Triggo redefines urban transportation with its futuristic design and innovative technology. It's an electric vehicle that combines the compact agility of a motorcycle with the stability and comfort of a car. One of its most unique features is its variable track width, which allows the vehicle to narrow down for easier navigation through congested streets and expand for added stability at higher speed. The Triggo can reach a top speed of 56 miles per hour, making it more than capable of handling both city and highway driving. With a swappable battery system that extends its range without downtime, the Triggo is a versatile, eco-friendly option for urban commuters looking for a new way to move around the city.